Well, to my very left over here, we have Tracy Strieter, who's the Wellness and Business Development Coordinator at Medical Weight Loss Clinic. And Tracy, you brought along a guest, Kelly Hembree, who is the patient with you, right?
Yes. We're very, very proud of Kelly's success. She actually lost 59 pounds in less than 6 months on our Fast Track program. And our Fast Track program is actually a meal replacement plan. However, we did incorporate 1 to 2 small grocery store food meals a day, because after all, you have to learn how to eat grocery store food in order to get that long-term success.
Right, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So Kelly, what made you choose Medical Weight Loss Clinic?
I went on a family vacation. We had a professional photo shoot on the beach. I came home and saw myself in those pictures and decided I had had enough. I wanted to be skinnier, I wanted to be healthier, I wanted to feel good. I had a friend that did it and it worked for her, so I knew it would work for me.
Well, how do you feel?
I feel amazing. I feel like I did when I was in high school. I have never felt better. I cross my leg like a lady should, because I can.
Right,
Okay, the big question, how difficult was it?
I don't think it was difficult. I followed the program. I did what I was supposed to. I utilized the clinic to its fullest. I went in for my weigh-ins, and I think it was easy. Taking it off was easy.
Right, and is that what kept you motivated, having your weigh-ins, finding out things were easy?
It is. I kept my journal. I wrote my journal every day. I went in 4 or 5 times a week, and they became my friends.
Yeah.
They're not only people that were helping me lose the weight, but they became friends, and I had a huge support system outside of it.
What's your advice to others?
I would say follow the program. Go into the clinic, do your weigh-ins, keep your journal. That's so important to know what you are taking in and what is, what's going on, so that you can help them help you.
Right, and continue to use your tools,
Oh,
right?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
So Tracy, what's the best way for somebody to get started who wants to have such great success like
And
this?
it's as easy as calling 1-800-GET-SLIM or visit our website at MWLC.com.
And you have more than one program, because you talked about Fast Track.
Correct. We offer several different approaches to weight loss. All are grocery store food based, and we do also offer appetite suppressants for those who do need that extra help.
Kelly, you mentioned that you feel better than you've felt in a very long time. That must be awesome.
It is. I'm getting ready to celebrate my 30-year reunion, and I feel like I did when I graduated high school.
Very cool. Well,
That's
congratulations,
awesome.
Kelly.
Thank you.
Well done.
Tracy, thanks so much for joining us again.
Thank
We've
you.
got the information on the screen. Give them a call, Medical Weight Loss Clinic, 1-800-GET-SLIM.
That's all our time for now on The Morning Blend.